Here are 20 things God never does and never will. My God is never in a hurry. 2 Peter 3:9. My God is never shocked. Isaiah 46:10. My God is never late. John 11. My God is never surprised. Psalm 147:5. My God never fails. Joshua 21:45. My God never lies. Numbers 23:19. My God is never weary. Isaiah 40:28. My God never forgets me. Isaiah 49:15. My God is never defeated. Psalm 24:8. My God never changes. Malachi 3:6. My God never breaks promises. Psalm 89:34. My God is never too far. Jeremiah 23:23. My God never sleeps. Psalm 121:4. My God never gives up. Philippians 1:6. My God never runs out. Philippians 4:19. My God never panics. Psalm 103:19. My God never overlooks the righteous. Psalm 34:15. My God never slacks. Hebrews 10:23. My God never loses battles. Exodus 14:14. My God never leaves me. Hebrews 13:5. Because my God never changes, my faith will never shake. And because my God never quits, so I walk in victory every time.